Alright, for question 39 is about solving trigonometric equations. So whenever you see cosine and sine, it seems they cannot solve each other. Don't worry, you can use trigonometric identities to convert into the same, either sine or cosine, alright? So let's say I want to convert it all to sine, right? Okay, so you can know that sine squared theta equals to 1 minus, I can convert cosine squared theta basically equals to 1 minus sine squared theta, alright? So you can actually directly convert that 4 times 1 minus sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta minus 7 equals to 0, right? 4 minus 4 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta minus 7 is 0, okay? So negative sine squared theta, 4 sine squared theta minus 7 sine squared theta minus 3 equals to 0. Then, is this look like a quadratic equation? What you are always doing is an equation reducible to a quadratic equation. So this looks like a quadratic equation, right? So you can basically use formula 01 and then you can calculate that formula 01, input the values -4, -7, -3, then you will appear that sine theta is equal to -1 or sine theta is equal to -0.75, alright? This is what you can obtain from the calculator. Okay, so sine theta is equal to -1, then what could be the possible value of theta? Then it should be 270, right? Do you still remember the sine graph? Sine graph moves like this, right? For 270 is equal to -1, okay? Then for sine theta equals to -0.75, you can arc sine -0.75. It will be actually equal to you can actually convert it to this, all right? So theta can equal to 48.59, right? But because this time is negative, so it should be equal to 180 plus theta means equals to 229, or it should be 360 minus theta, which should be equal to 211, okay? So you can see there are 3 distinct roots, right? So the answer is 3, okay? And also, for this type of question, I would like to warn you, please pay attention to the range, okay? If sometimes like the range is like this, then 360 is not a possible root because it is excluded from the range, okay? So pay attention to the range, okay? So the answer for this question is C, okay?